With data discovery, you can quickly analyze large amounts of data to uncover valuable patterns and trends. In this video, we will analyze churn and determine which customers are loyal or beginning to leave. The first step is to define what is considered churn for your business. We can define churn based on customer purchases and, by analyzing their final purchase, determine if they are loyal customers or clients beginning to leave. We'll start by using a Venn analysis to view customer purchases made in the last 3 years. In orders, there is information about when an order was purchased. Also, there is specific information showing the year of purchase. We'll drag the value 2004 to include all orders for that year, then include the 2003 value, and finally the 2002 value. The relation between the 3 segments shows no overlap for those years. This is correct because the information is at the order level, and single orders cannot exist for multiple dates or years. Now we will analyze the customers that have purchased these orders. We'll drag the customer table to the resolution table box. The Venn diagram shows that 7,317 customers have made purchases in the past 3 years. Also, 20,153 customers made purchases in 2004 and 2003, but not in 2002. We can consider them loyal customers. We'll select the 2 intersections to create 2 new segments in the Scratchpad, one for each group of customers. We'll combine the segments by dragging one into the other and selecting OR to include all customers in both segments. The second segment now contains 27,470 customers, uniting both segments. We'll rename the combined segment Loyal Customers. The customers that purchased only in 2002 can be identified as having stopped purchasing in the past 3 years. Also, those only purchasing in 2003. And in 2002 and 2003, but not in 2004. These customers have stopped buying and are churn customers. We'll select all 3 intersections. And combine the generated segments with OR to get a final segment of churn customers. Rename the segment Churn Customers. We have now defined segments for loyal and churn customers. To profile loyal customers and what makes them different from churn customers, go to the next video in this playlist.